Hello ladies, gentlemen, guys and gals, thank you all for stopping by. Today's topic will revolve around an area in the industry many are unfamiliar with, even less so than manga. Manga, I like to say, specializes in the French side of things, la nouvelle manga. So what is la nouvelle manga? An artistic movement or initiative rather, of various French, Belgian, and Japanese comic creators together to promote a universal form of art that incorporates manga, comic, and BD, otherwise known as bande dessinée. Originally called manga nouvelle vague, first used by editor of Comickers Kiyoshi Kusumi referring to Frederick Bollet's work, the term adopted by Bollet as he encouraged other artists to participate in the movement, highlighting their style, which was graphically close to BD, but read like manga, also recalling the spirit of French cinema. So where are we today? It's now recognized more widely as an independent form, presenting readers with some of the best international graphic novels worldwide. And some of the notable players in the movement include Frederick Bollet, creator of Yukiko Spinach and Maruko Parade, in collaboration with Kan Takahama, another figure in the movement. Next up we have Kiriko Nananen, creator of Blue and Sweet Cream and Red Strawberries. Interesting up-and-coming things I think are worth shedding some light on. Let me know your thoughts on this kind of manga and how far you see it going. Be sure to check out more of our content where we explore other various areas of the manga industry so you learn just a little bit more behind the scenes. All right, shining lights, I'll catch you all later.